Start.
Good day. My name is Adefalujo Oluwabukumi. I'm with my teammates today, and I'll be talking about information and communications technologies and its relationship with enterprise architecture. First off, what is information and communications technology, also known as ICT? It is defined as a diverse set of technological tools like our electronic devices and our gadgets like our phones, computers, and other resources that we use to transmit, create, send, and exchange information. Secondly, what is the enterprise architecture? This is a blueprint or a roadmap created by an organization to tell us where their current situation and where they are headed to achieve its current mission and its future objectives. And this way, it focuses on the business strategy and the technological infrastructures that are available to achieve it. So, what are the importance of enterprise architecture to the organization? Number one is that it helps managers to navigate through all the options and choices that they have as they add new information systems and they retire the old ones. Secondly, it helps managers to make better decisions as they focus more on long-term goals rather than just short-term goals. And so now, developing and guiding the enterprise architecture has to do with having a keen understanding of the business mission and how ICT can support it. That's how ICT architecture can support it. So, what are the three components of information system? They are the hardware, the software, and the networks and telecommunications. So the enterprise architecture doesn't just have to do with these three components alone. It also has to do with people, strategy, system, data, and every other thing that and the processes that information systems are made up of. But for the sake of this video today, we'll only be looking at the three components of information systems. And like I earlier stated, they are the hardware, the software, and the network and telecommunications. And my awesome colleagues here to be taking us through the very first one, which is the hardware.
My name is Okela Yes. I'll be taking you on one of the components of information system, which is hardware. So, what is hardware? Hardware is a physical basis of information system. These are physical things we can touch, like our smartphone, computers, laptops, etc. So, we have four components of hardware. Number one component is input. This is when data or instruction are sent to the processing units to be processed into a meaningful information. These are our e.g. like keyboard, mouse, and then number two components will be processing. This is for processing information within the computer system. This include the CPU, motherboard, and etc. So we have number number three is outputs. These are used to display process data to the users, like monitor. After the data have been processed, then we can use the output. The output will process the data by displaying it on the screen, like our monitors, printers, and so. Number four component is storage. This deal with how digital information are stored. Then we have two major type of storage. Number one is primary, and the second one is secondary. On primary storage, these are our internal storage, which are the RAM, which is random access memory, while the ROM is read-only memories. For the secondary part, these are the external storage of information system. These are our hardware, flash drives, and so many more. Then I'll be handing over the second component to my colleague, Mamilere, which is software uh, information system. Thank you.
Good day. My name is Oladele Abigail Oluwapamilere. So just as my colleague said previously, so she had also spoken about the hardware part of the ICT. So I am here to talk about the software. So what is the software? The software is the instruction that directs the hardware to carry out tasks. So for the purpose of this topic, I'll be talking about the enterprise software architecture. So we have the enterprise software architecture, which is the architecture that is developed for the organized growth and development of an enterprise for the information technology in developing the organization's success. It is closely coordinated with an enterprise informal internal organization, the business model and the processes. Now for the software, we have two major categories of this software. We have the application software and we have the utility software. So the application software basically directs the computer to execute command given to it by the user. Now, what is the application software in line with the enterprise architecture? It is the software that is designed for organization support, for transaction processing, for human resources management, for customer relationship management, for collaboration, for financing, and every other processes alongside with the value chain, which helps to deliver excellent services. Now to the system software, that is basically what the instruction that is being given to the computer to carry out what the application software have to do. Now for the system software, we have the operating system and the utility software, which helps to for the success of the organization's management. And for all of this to be achieved, they had to code everything in a programming language, which help the computer to accept information, to process it and provide the output. Which some of the programming language are COBOL, are Python, C Sharp, Java, and etc. So my colleague, which is Zainab, will be taking us through the third component, which is the network and the telecommunication. Thank you.
Good day. My name is Oladimeji Zainab, and I'm going to be taking you through information technology and how it affects enterprise architecture. To begin with, what is network? A network is a group of interconnected devices such as phones, displays, and printers. To understand how network operates, it's important to understand how protocols and networks transfer digital data into the real world. Digital data can either be wired or wireless devices or both, that is both wired and wireless. Network transfers digital data to different channels depending on the medium it used to transfer those digital data. And this has its own strengths and weaknesses depending on the medium it's used to transfer those data. Bits per second is used bits per second is used to know how the speed of the medium, while bandwidth measures the optimum medium capacity that the medium can operate. Each transmission medium has its own strengths and weaknesses depending on speed and capacity. Bits per second measures the medium speed, while bandwidth measures the optimum bits per second the channel can actually transmit. So wired media. The three major wired media are twisted pair wire, coaxial cable, and optical fiber. Twisted pair wires are common in homes because the phone companies already installed them long before they are used to transmit digital data. Transmission speed has been improved, and these wires remain popular for apartments and office buildings as well. Coaxial cable also common in homes because the cable TV is companies install them to carry television signals. Optical fibers use light pulses instead of electric signals, and they are the fastest speed. Wireless media. These are electromagnetic waves. The radiators associated with electric and magnetic field can transmit digital information wirelessly. Examples of these are wireless fidelity and Bluetooth. My next colleague Amos will be telling us more about the types of networks.
Hello, my name is Amos, and today I'll be talking about the types of network that we have. So we have the personal area network, which covers devices that are within our reach. The second one we have is the local area network. This one covers devices at our homes, office, school, and the buildings. The third one we have is the campus or corporate area network. This one interconnects LANs in several buildings or on a campus. The first one we have is the metropolitan area network. This one interconnects LANs or CANs for a city. The fifth one we have is the wide area network, which is the one. It interconnects the lands, the cans, the mans, and covers a wide geographical area. The sixth one we have is the GAN, which is the Global Area Network. This one it supports mobile communication across the globe using satellites. Now, on to my next topic. The next topic is network protocol we are talking about. Now, the first thing, what is a protocol? A protocol is a standardized set of rules for formatting and processing data. Protocols enable computers to communicate with one another. And what are the examples of protocols? Or should I call them the network protocols that we have? We have the Ethernet, we have TCI or IP, and we also have the wireless. Now, the full meaning of TCI or IP is Transmission Control Protocol or the Internet Protocol, which is a suite for communication protocol that is used to interconnect network devices on the internet. The next one we have is the wireless protocols. Examples of the wireless protocols are the Wi-Fi that we all know and the Wi-Fi Direct, Bluetooth. We all know Bluetooth devices, like we're all using Bluetooth devices nowadays. Then we have the radio frequency, the 3G and our 4G SIMs that we use on our mobile phones. And that's basically like all we have for the wireless protocols. We should all expect more of wireless devices due to their conveniences and all in the future. Thank you.